Howdy folks, it's Terry Shreve here coming to you from Oklahoma. I'm sorry I haven't had a video lately, but I think you all understand these trucks are extremely hard to find right now. Of course, you can't even buy a new one hardly, and the used ones, they're out of sight, and a lot of them are really rough. And we don't buy anything here. We only buy nice stuff, so it's really hard for us to find things right now. But this one here is a beauty, and we've got it all ready to go here. It is a 2013 Ford F450 Super Duty four-wheel drive. The truck only has 120,000 on, but here's the really good thing about it. 26,000 miles is all that is on a brand new engine from Ford, installed by a Ford dealer. So this truck, I'm gonna tell you, is about as new as you can get. It's got the 11-foot service body on it. And what we had done on this truck, this body has completely been reconditioned, and the crane's been reconditioned. We had them all stripped down, had them sanded, painted. Trucks are nice and solid, the bed's solid, the crane's all been redone. Has a brand new $3,000 wireless remote on it. Let me take a walk around here. Now that's a 6,000 pound auto crane. It has a 3-stage boom on it. It goes out hydraulically, and then you have a 3rd stage you can pull on it. It's got plenty of reach. You look back here, it's got a pass-through bumper rear workstation. It's got dual rear jacks. And I mean, look at this paint job. Look at the bed and everything, just as clean as brand new. You bet. Okay, Kevin, why don't you open up these doors real quick and show the folks the inside of the service bodies. Apologize for the wind here. You know how it is in Oklahoma. Okay, there you go, Kevin. Okay, you can shut that one right there. I wanted to show it to you. Let's open this one up. Good solid floor, good shelves. Now on that first box, let's go back to it, Kevin. I want to show them. I was a little too quick. Okay, if you'll see here, we got a new setup here. We got the power supply here. We've got the plug-in for the wireless remote. All that stuff's brand new. We got a dual battery. Things we do on these is we always have dual batteries, so when you're working your crane, you're not just running off your truck. You got a hose racks there for putting on your controls and hose. And this one here, again, this one has a brand new remote. I'll show that to you in a little bit. Okay, Kevin, open up this box here. Now this one's got 3 drawers into 3 sections. There you go right there, and good solid floor, no rust in it. Nice, nice, nice. And this is an actual auto crane body, which these things are very, very heavy duty. Now what you'll notice on this, it's nice. This one has a tall right-hand toolbox, and it's set up for torches. So you can see in here, you got your compartments for your torches. You have your vent down there and all. You've got your racks right here to hang up your reels and stuff. Very, very nice. And again, nice and solid floor. Okay, buddy. Got running boards on it. And while Kevin's going around the other side, I'll show you the interior here. And I mean, you look at that mat, that truck, that thing looks brand new, just like all the stuff we sell. Now there's your brand new wireless remote. That's about $3,000. Check in here, the seats are nice and all on it. It's got tilt and cruise, air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, of course. I mean, set up nice. Front tire looks just as good as the back. On our trucks, you know, we always put a chrome front end on them. We do that, and it costs us quite a bit, but boy, it sure makes them look good. There's your other front tire there, looks just like the other one. Got your running boards here on this side. Look in here, look at the seat. Not a rip in it. I mean, this truck is clean. Good floor mat, dash looks good, everything. Okay. Kevin's got this side open. You'll see here it's got shelving set up here where you can put a pull-out drawer for a toolbox or anything. Floor is nice and solid on this one. Okay, this one here, it's got your 3 compartments on it. Good, good, good. Here, this one, of course, right over your tires, got a big section here where you can put in a pull-out drawer setup if you want in it. And then back here in the back, you got an open configuration here with a shelf on top. Good solid floor. Truck's in nice shape. All right, Kevin, why don't you pop the hood and let's let them see the motor. There's, of course, brand new tires on it. And when we do them, when we put tires and stuff on them, we'll check them, make sure that they need brakes or anything. We take care of all that while we got it in the shop. Now, let me show you this motor. This is a brand new Ford V10 that was put in by the factory authorized Ford dealer 26,000 miles ago. Now, this right here, the reason why the belt's off this is an auxiliary PTO set up for a hydraulic air compressor. It's right here, you've got your connections and all for it, and all you have to do is, if you want a hydraulic air compressor, is you hook your lines and all up, put your belt right on here and run it, and there's a switch under the dash and you can have a hydraulic air compressor with it. Isn't that pretty? Okay, very good. Now, Kevin, we need to go work that crane. Let's show them how the crane works. Go ahead and close the hood. We'll come around here. While he's doing that, I want to tell you something. This is one nice truck. And I hate to say it, guys, but these trucks are hard to find right now. I mean, they are hard to find. I don't know how long this is going to keep going on. I'm about tired of it, but you know, I know you guys are too. It's just hard to find anything. Okay, and it's got full power, up, down, left, and right. There's your hydraulic, your power winch. Oh, by the way, too, when we redid the crane and all on it, we had them put a brand new winch cable on it, everything. Of course, new paint on it, new decals and all. They went through, put new hoses on it, make sure the pump worked good and all. I mean, it's nice. So listen, I'm gonna recap this for y'all. Thank you, Kevin. This is a 2013 Ford F450 Super Duty 4-wheel drive with a brand new V10 in it. It has a 11-foot service body, auto crane service body with a 6,000-pound auto crane on it. Super nice truck, just been reconditioned, looks brand new. This truck right here, we can have it delivered anywhere in the lower 48 for you. Just give us a call at 800-276-4869. And thank you all for watching this video, and stay safe.